events are associated with crowds, maybe bad behavior, maybe facilities that are overbuilt and then aren't used afterwards. So there's been a lot of problems associated with events.
And the event sector has grown to an extent now that it is crowding the local population, it is crowding local industry.
Many events are completely unsustainable if you look at the volume of traffic that is involved and bringing people from disparate parts of the world for a relatively short space of time.
Event tourism has the problem of attracting a lot of people, often by car or internationally, and of course they're burning fossil fuels.
Possibly one of the biggest events taking place at the moment is climate change.
So sustainable is not just about the environment. It's also, of course, for example, waste management is very important, yes. But sustainable is also, for example, how to make sure that the impacts are long-term, that you don't ruin the resources, that the resources keep there for future generations. So there are other dimensions which seem to be a bit forgotten.
Social sustainability and this whole idea of equity and social equity and how events maybe contribute to either a greater sense of social equity or in some cases actually as a way of hiding the inherent inequity in our society.
There's a point where the local people don't go with the government of the city to be this eventful city.
The societal aspect of sustainability is a really important one because I think some people would argue that Barcelona is no longer served by the events industry, but that Barcelona serves the events industry, and the society may not be too happy about that.
We have to show from air quality and water quality and energy consumption and travel and food consumption and a dozen other points how events can contribute positively to that overall sustainability concept.
A rethinking of the fundamental design of events so that they are sustainable. So working with more creative designers and more creative artists and so on can give you a way of rethinking events as being more sustainable.
A radical overhaul of both infrastructure elements and technology elements, but also the models through which we conduct events and the standards which we use as our reference point for determining what is more sustainable and what is less sustainable.
To have the public, the local public on your side, I think it's necessary to keep in mind the green and the ecological points.
The question is how green are these events, in fact? What are they doing to be green? But sometimes it's more of a buzzword than anything else. So I think we have to be a bit critical, and event managers, policymakers, even attendees have to think, how is this sustainable aspect of the event being thought of and being dealt with?
More emphasis will have to be put on events that do not consume a lot of energy, do not require a lot of private travel by car, events that contribute to cleaner air, maybe by taking environmental action, tree planting, that sort of thing. So I think it will change the way we look at events.